So I'm gonna water my.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse.
Oh,
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
I love the flower too. Yes, we put it like this. I like this. I get more.
The dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The dog takes the cat.
Tomato.
The cat takes the mouse. The cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone. The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cheese stands alone.
I think that's God. Thanks for watching. For water my plants. For water my plants, guys. Bye, guys. Ah, there's Billy. There's Billy. Ah, there's Billy. There's Billy. There's Billy. There's Billy.
What are you using to move the bucket? What are you using to move the wagon?
Pushing.
You're pushing?
And you are pulling. It's my turn to pull. I want to pull it.
So if you're pushing, what are you using?
Pull, my fork.
Yeah, you're using force. And I am pulling. What am I using?
Your fork.
Yeah, so force can be a push or a...
Pull. We're here. We're here.
What are you going to do with all this water?
I'm gonna water the plant. It's a butterfly. Wow. It's my plant. We're here.
Alright, where are you going to start? Wait, this one's got a little bit too much in it. Go ahead and start with that little bottle, then you can get your water in can.
All of water. Plants are dry. Finish. More.
I'm going to leave you the water in can. There you go. There you go. All the way down to the last one. I already did this one. Go down to the last plant.
That one is dry. Yeah, over there.
Alright, do the second one from the end.
That one?
Yeah.
But I already water it.
You already did?
Yeah?
Put some more on it. That's okay. Put some more on it.
Whoa. The end.
You're farming, so you ain't gonna be too. You're a farmer too.
I'm a garden watering can. Woo! It's going very tall. One. Ah! Over. One. And that tree. Oh, that one? Whoa. And somebody will water that one. Whoever. Somebody. Hey. What's that? Hey, Marcina. I water my plant.
That's it?